latest retriever update, you can bring any LLM provider to use with retriever. Even you can set up a locally running model and use that with retriever. So under LLM providers, you can select the provider you want. So for example, you can choose OpenRouter and just use any free models that OpenRouter has currently that providers want to get people to try out. So you can choose your own locally running model, and you can just provide an endpoint that routes locally. So for example, you can do Ollama run Qwen to actually install it, and then serve the Ollama model. I've already installed it, so I didn't need to do the run. And then I can add the model here, and then I can run ngrok to expose the endpoint from my local laptop so that retriever's backend can call it. So just suffix a v1 here, and you don't need an API key for this. So you can just type Ollama or anything, and then you can just give a simple command like this. Just go to Hacker News. So this will route the query to hit the Ollama model that you have locally to do all the actions, and this way you don't even need to worry about. So this way you don't need to worry about having expensive LLM inference or your data going to like a model provider.